Hi, my name is IRISHAD AHMAD and I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I passed out in 2019 as a BTech Mechanical Engineering graduate. After that, I was working in a plumbing project for about 3 years. After that, I joined ACE India in 2022. As it's a very famous saying that genius has its own limits. So any branch of engineering is very vast. So it's very important to gain expertise in a particular field. After joining ACE India, I was able to make a strong foundation in MEP sector, and I gained confidence to face any interview or exam related to this. Recently, I was working as an HVAC engineer in ONGC onshore project. Now I am going to join as a project and estimation engineer in firefighting and fire alarm systems at Fire Freeze, Fire Protection and Safety Solutions, Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Therefore, I am very thankful to ACE India.